Hey everybody, Kenny from Keystone Styling. We got a Surge Green 21 Wrangler Unlimited, brand new for sale. This is going to be for sale at Len's Store in Westminster, Maryland. It's got a 2.5-inch lift, 20-inch fuel covert wheels, 35-inch Nitto trail grapplers, amp power steps, custom diamond stitched leather interior, Keystone Styling KS embossing on the headrests. Let's check the rest of this thing out. This particular Jeep has the Sun and Sound package. Gives you the nice big radio, one touch power top. So simple. You can do it anywhere. You don't have to worry about where you take your top on and off. You just take it off. Put it back up whenever you feel like it. Open air freedom. Spring is coming, baby. Get to Len's Store in Westminster, Maryland. Pick up this sweet ride.